In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the dotted halftone pattern effect in Canva. This design technique is a fantastic way to give your images a unique, vintage-inspired look. Whether you're creating graphics for social media, posters, or just experimenting with design styles, the halftone pattern effect adds a bold and creative touch. And the best part, it's super easy to achieve using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and log in to your account. If you don't already have an account, no worries. Canva allows you to create one for free. You can sign up quickly using your email or social media accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to begin creating. Now, head to the top right corner of the Canva dashboard and click on Create a Design. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find various design templates. But for this tutorial, we want to create a custom size canvas. So scroll down and select Custom Size. Next, set the dimensions for your canvas to 100 by 50 pixels. This might seem unusually small, but there's a good reason for it. Using smaller dimensions exaggerates the dotted texture when you scale the design up later, which really enhances that bold halftone effect. Once you've entered the dimensions, hit Create New Design, and your blank canvas will appear. Now it's time to add your image. You can upload your own photo by simply dragging and dropping it onto the canvas. Alternatively, if you don't have an image ready, Canva's photo library is packed with options. Just search for a photo that fits your project and click to place it on the canvas. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it to select it. Then look for the Edit Image option at the top of the toolbar. This will open up a variety of editing tools. Here, we're going to use the Background Remover tool to isolate the subject of your image. This step is important because it separates the focal point of your design from the background. Now, just in case the tool doesn't remove the background perfectly, you can use the Eraser tool to manually clean up any missed areas. With the background removed, let's move on to the next step. On the left-hand menu, click on Apps. This is where Canva's additional tools and effects are located. In the search bar at the top, type Screen and hit Enter. From the search results, select the Screen Halftone effect. This is the key tool that will transform your image into a dotted halftone pattern. Once you click on it, the effect will be applied to your image instantly, giving it that iconic dotted grid appearance. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's fine-tune the halftone effect to get the exact look you want. Adjusting the settings is crucial here. First, experiment with the dot size slider. Larger dots will create a bold and dramatic look, whereas smaller dots will retain more detail and give a finer, more intricate texture. Take your time to find the balance that works best for your design. Then adjust the intensity slider. This controls how strong the halftone effect appears on your image. Bringing the intensity down will make the effect more subtle, while increasing it will give you a more striking result. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the final look. Once you've perfected your design, it's time to save and share your work. Go to the top right corner of Canva and click on Share or Download. This will bring up a file format menu. If you need a transparent background for your design, choose the PNG format. This is ideal for layering your halftone image onto other graphics. On the other hand, if you're planning to post your design on social media or use it in a digital format, JPEG is a great choice. Select your preferred option, hit download, and you're done. And that's how you create the dotted halftone pattern effect in Canva. This technique is both easy and versatile, making it a great addition to your design toolkit. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.